10 most hyped NFT projects releasing soon. On a scale of 1 to 10, the NFT world, which some people thought will be stuck at 8 or 9 for years, has surprisingly exceeded everyone's expectations. We can say that the NFT world has amazingly beaten this set scale, and it's now like a 16 over 10 kind of scale. It's given room to many projects that present a long-lasting investment opportunity for smart and ever-ready investors who can spot the opportunity early in their development cycle. Watch this video to the end to be like the smart and ever-ready investors who spot opportunities early. Sit back with a cup of coffee or juice as I unveil the 10 most hyped NFT projects this year. Before we go further, do well to like and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this. Let's get into the juicy details. Number 1. Vfriends. Gary V, the Belarusian-American entrepreneur, has launched another amazing NFT project called Vfriends. Vfriends is an NFT platform that offers beginners or individuals who aren't sure of where to start a friendly ground or a way to invest in NFTs. Gary V is a well-known NFT and marketing guru who founded Vfriends as an NFT project in May 2021. The Vfriends NFT collection contains 10,255 NFTs, which can be purchased on the Vfriends marketplace for ETH. These NFTs are computer artwork. Each artwork or character displays characteristics that Gary V admires. Vfriends NFT owners can attend VCon, a multi-day business event centered on entrepreneurship, creativity, and innovation. This is why Vfriends is worth giving a trial. Gary V's business events tend to sell out quickly, so holding a Vfriends NFT and receiving admission is seen as a big benefit. Certain Vfriends NFTs are classified as gifts. Owners of these gifts NFTs will get gifts from Gary V and the team for the next 3 years. Now this is what I'd like to call swift. Number 2. Satoshi Runners. Satoshi Runners might sound like an anime character, but trust me, it's not. Satoshi Runners is a group of 7,777 NFTs. We can say that it has the motive of blending digital art with the added benefits of investing. These arts are animated and they depict individuals with distinct personalities that wield a distinctive weapon, cyberpunk style. To ensure that the Satoshi Runners digital art is as appealing as possible, the development team has already cooperated with renowned NFT entrepreneurs, as well as a select group of Bored Ape Yacht Club members. Satoshi Runners plans to purchase virtual land plots on Sandbox and Decentraland soon. Sandbox and Decentraland are two popular metaverse projects that are making vast waves in the crypto market. Satoshi Runners also have plans to release a 3D Satoshi Runners collection, which might work with the aforementioned metaverse initiatives. Overall, Satoshi Runners appears to have a bright future ahead of it, making it one of the most promising new NFT ventures for investors to invest in. Number 3. Decentraland. Except for those unborn, every investor should know about Decentraland. Decentraland is one of the high-potential metaverse NFT projects. If you're someone who invests in great metaverse coins already, then you will not be a novice to the world of Decentraland. Decentraland is an online environment built on the Ethereum blockchain where users may design their avatars and buy virtual property plots. I love the designing part, guys. As said, Decentraland's world is constructed as a decentralized autonomous organization. This means that all governance concerns are under the discretion of the world's users. Mana, which is Decentraland's token, is not only used for in-game transactions, but also can be purchased by cryptocurrency investors to speculate on Decentraland's growth. Finally, while gas costs on Ethereum remain excessively expensive, the network's forthcoming transition to Ethereum 2.0 should resolve this issue, thereby boosting Decentraland's growth. Number 4. Lucky Block NFTs. Yeah, Lucky Block equals Lucky Profit as an investor. When it comes to new NFT projects, the Platinum Rollers Club collection from Lucky Block is our top pick. This is because Lucky Block has emerged as one of the best altcoins in the market. The Platinum Rollers Club, the club of Lucky Block, also has a collection of 10,000 NFTs hosted on the Binance Smart Chain that was launched by the development team. Here is the biggest new and most exciting offer of Lucky Block. Everyone who buys a Lucky Block NFT is automatically placed into a one-time prize draw to win a brand new Lamborghini Aventador worth $300,000. Can I hear you say, wow? This is no joke, guys, and it's massive. The potential increase in value for the Lucky Block collection is rapid, given the Lucky Block NFTs may be minted for only $1,500. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Number 5. Silks. No, I'm not talking about some protein fiber material. I'm talking about a well-known NFT project with an exciting play-to-earn P2E feature that is now gaining a lot of attention. Silks is a blockchain-based metaverse that enables users to own, trade, and profit from thoroughbred racing horses. However, this trading isn't just virtual, it's based on true events. This means that all of the virtual horses in the game have a real-life match. When the real-world horse performs well in races, Silk investors benefit from the results. Users will be able to buy plots of land and build stables for their horses in the Silks project's virtual environment. The lands and horses are structured as NFTs, which investors can monetize and trade on the Silks marketplace. Each horse in the Silk world has attributes and characteristics that are taken from its real-world counterpart's racing record and training history. Number 6. Axi Infinity. If you've never heard of Axi Infinity, then you're missing out. Axi Infinity is an Ethereum-based virtual universe in which users can own and breed unique in-world creatures known as Axis. It's a game as well as a palatable investment platform. Although Axi Infinity was launched in 2018, the project has just recently gained wide acceptance all over the world and is expected to develop dramatically this year. Axi Infinity creatures, Axis, are constructed as NFTs just as Decentraland and can be traded with other users on the Axi Infinity marketplace. Axi Infinity's native token AXS is the token used to perform trading or transactions. Speculative investors can also purchase Axi Infinity to obtain exposure to the virtual world's growth. Finally, Axi Infinity appeals to a wide range of demographics due to its combination of investing options and virtual games. Number 7. Weed Gang. Yes, it's what you're thinking. Although there's more to Weed Gang than its name, check it out. The legalization of marijuana in Canada and the United States have brought about new ideas and projects in the crypto market. Weed Gang can be said to be a marijuana-themed NFT project where each NFT portrays a cannabis strain. The development staff of Weed Gang has great experience in cultivation and breeding, therefore assuring that the collection has a high level of legitimacy. On Weed Gang, users can develop a variety of strains and earn Weed Gang's token, RAX. Users can also monetize their in-game exploits and compete against other players in PvP combat. Number 8. Mythia Origins. Mythia Origins has 3,000 cyberpunk NFT characters. The characters themselves can supposedly be used as profile photos for users, and they all have a certain level of prestige. Apart from the artwork, Mythia Origins has several other advantages. Mythia Origins NFT owners have access to the private Discord server, where they can get heads up about forthcoming and high-benefiting projects. Mythia Origins has a specialized team of professional analysts who comb the markets and undertake all essential research to identify interesting initiatives. To keep everyone updated from time to time, Discord offers real-time alerts and a dedicated podcast. Number 9. Mechaaverse. Sounds like Metaverse, right? Well, they are all together. Mechaaverse is another new NFT project that investors need to keep their eyes on. Mechaaverse is a collection of 8888 mechas or digital art NFTs. The concept of Mechaaverse artwork was derived from the popular anime series Mobile Suit Gundam. This known concept has contributed to the Mechaaverse popularity. Truth be told, it makes sense. The Mechaaverse NFTs have a unique blend of traits and features, ensuring that each piece of art has a certain level of rarity. Overall, Mechaaverse NFTs provide an amazing opportunity for investors to become a part of a growing community while also benefiting from potential value rises. Number 10. Meta Triad. Our last pick for today is Meta Triads. Meta Triads is one of the most intriguing forthcoming NFT mints that investors should watch out for. It contains 10,000 digital art pieces and other features. The majority of the collection is made up of humans, hybrids, and humanoids, with the remaining exceptional NFT labeled as a Triad. Although the NFTs themselves are appealing digital art that owners can display, investors are more interested in the additional benefits. This is because Meta Triad users will own shares and earn Meta Triad's tokens, Triad, in the marketplace as the market grows. As an investor, the native token essentially allows NFT owners to produce a passive income stream for themselves. Thank you guys for staying with me until the end, and if you like this video, kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this.